Let's unbox Coca Cola Labubus. Hi, if you haven't seen me before, my name is Shay. I'm a travel blogger of 8 years. I'm here currently in Phuket, Thailand right now. And I got these babies in Bangkok. And I brought it over because I'm currently in Phuket, Thailand right now. And I was in Bangkok. I bought it from the Popmart store, both of them, from the official Popmart store in Bangkok. So I know they're legit. But you can actually see the box itself. It has the holographic sticker that you can scratch off. But pretty much if you buy it from Popmart, you don't have to worry. But if you buy it from a reseller, then you probably have to check, make sure you have the holographic sticker. Like I said, you can scratch off. They give you the code that you can check with the website, Popmart website, the anti-lafufu verification system. QR code, scan it, enter the code under the scratch thingy. That should tell you whether your Labubus is legit or not. So, like I said, I bought it from Popmart. It even has a Popmart sticker. After you pay, they will put a sticker. This because they do check your receipt when you leave the store. So they want to make sure that this basically shows that you paid for the product. It makes it even extra official. This is the selection. You can get either surprise shake or happy factor. I don't care for this, especially. This is useless. This is a pendant. I can hang it on my bag and stuff. So I would like to get either or both of them actually. So I got two, so that I want one of each. That will complete the Coca-Cola collection. Don't care about this one. Okay, let's open it. Also, the Popmart Thailand has an extra sticker. So if you buy from a reseller in Thailand, like a local gift shop, whatever, to make sure that it has this Popmart import sticker. I think that's what it is. Anyway. But yes. Okay, let's unbox it. It has the pull-up tab. Let's unbox it. That's the pull-up tab right there. I'm gonna pull it, okay? Make sure you pull it. Let's pull it. It's always so satisfying to do that. Okay. I don't know if this comes with a card. I don't think so. Because, you know, the other V1 comes with a little sticker. V3 comes with a card that tells you what did you get. But anyway, I'm just gonna... I don't even know. Okay. I'm gonna show you first. I'm gonna close my eyes. Like, I'm closing my eyes right now. So what did I get? What did I get? Huh? Do you see it? Do you see it? Okay. I'm gonna pull it out, okay? Ready? Ready? See, my eyes are closed. What did I get? What did I get? Oh! I got the... This is Coca-Cola version of Have a Seat, pretty much. Oh, she's so pretty. Look at her. Oh, so cute. This is called... I don't know why this is a weird name. Surprise Shake. Wait, no. This is Happy Factor. I got Happy Factor. Yay! She has a really big silica gel thing, like to stop moisture or whatever. Oh, let's take her out. Take her out. Oh, it's kind of like there's these things that you have to actually like pull. Ding, 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 ding. I don't know why I'm making jaw sound. Oh, she's so cute. She's so sharp. She looks like a polar bear Labubus with in this color. It's not exactly white. It's kind of like, well, it is white. But it's more like cream to me. So, just pull her out. There, this whole thing, like I said, is a big giant. Oh my god, there's tons of... I'll show you, it's funny. Okay, I'll show you later. Show you her first. Ah, looks so cute. She's so cute. There's this, right? If you see, there's this, they're not glued together. So it's not glued like this. there is just a string that you can cut off and get rid of the Coca-Cola if you don't like. If say you're a Pepsi person, you don't like Coca-Cola, you can remove this. And it's just another have a seat because she's sitting. She's sitting. And bottom says Popmart, casing. And yeah, she's just top here say Coca Cola, and then Popmart, the monsters at the back. I like the red ring thing, and then I like a little scarf. That's so cute, just a little scarf. It's like a winter, like Halloween, Christmas Labubu. And I like that she's looking sideways. She's giving the criminal side eye. And what else? Oh, this is what I'm saying. She also has a barcode, a QR code that you can scan and verify that she's legit. But I'm not worried because I got it from the Popmart stores itself. So it's not like the ears kind of wonky though. It's weird. Some of the special Labubus, the ears these ears look very similar to the Halloween pumpkin Labubu I got, because the V3 is like going all the way here, like go all the way here, but this is like, why is it so short? Why is it so much space? I don't understand, but she's cute nevertheless. Yay! Yay! She's adorable. I like her a lot. And she's so soft. Profile, big head, little body, huge. The head is huge. Okay, let's do the second one. The silica gel. That's excessive silica gel. That's like, okay, there's 2 packs of this. So if you get the Labubu, they probably don't even give you this, but there's 2 packs of this. FYI. Oh, I didn't realize they do give you the sticker or card thing. It looks like this. It's not scented or anything though. It's just a card on a string that says Happy Factor, Coca-Cola. Cute, cute. You can hang this here. How about that? That's one. Okay, we got Happy Factor. So let's see, what is this one? What do you think this one? Let me know in the comments. You guess, like I said, same from Popmart store, 2 different Popmart stores. Oh, FYI, from what I heard, there are some unscrupulous resellers that would cut out the bottom part and re-glue it again with the hot gun. So make sure that you inspect. If you don't buy this from a Popmart store, official Popmart store, make sure you inspect the bottom. It should look like this. So if it's like super glued, you can tell, like if it's like all like it's like super glued, it almost like open it up with a knife and then glue it back together, because if they got the secret, they do that with the other, especially the V3 ones, the big into energy, because the secret goes for $500 or whatever. Expensive. They can sell it for a lot of money if they get the secret. So they've been cutting it out and opening it up. So just to make sure that you are not getting gypped there. Okay, let's open this up. Which one? Which one? We got this one. We want this one. Don't care for this. Okay, let's go for that. Open it. Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes again. And I'm gonna show you first. So which one do we get? Can you see that? Did you see it? I still don't know what I got. Okay, let's take it out and you will see it first. Ready? Ready? What did I get? Did I get the bottle or not? No. This is the same one. No, now I have 2. Well, I guess I can cut off the Coca Cola now, this one, and make it a white have a seat. No, I wanted the other one. I guess I have to buy another one, I guess, at the Popmart store, because I'm going back to KL and Kuala Lumpur at the TRX mall. That's a Popmart store, and I bet you they have this in store. So I'll buy another one and open that, and hopefully get the bottle one to complete the collection. But yes, this is the same. Yeah, I'm gonna throw this away. I'm gonna keep the box if I'm gonna resell this or something later. Let me just tell you something. I mean, give you an example what I'm talking about the ears thing. Look how the ears do not look the same. This one is a little bit closer together, and this one is a little bit further apart. And look how this is tiny, and this is more normal. Like, what's up with that? Popmart, why is your quality control so poor? First of all, they should be closer together. They should be closer together. And this should be as big as the thing, not like tiny like this. Like, what is that? Why is it not the same? You know what I mean? And this one, the eye is a little bit up. This one is normal. This one is a little bit up. Like, what's up with that? Why they are not the same exact dolls? It's like, and your quality control should be just like, no, this won't pass. But anyway, yeah, now we have two. I have to have a seat Coca Cola, basically this. And I need to get another one so I can get. This also comes with a thingy-majingy. So now I have two happy factor. I want the surprise shake. Is what I want next. This one. Okay, we'll get it next time. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the Labubus. Let me know in the comments if you like these or you like the surprise shake, the one with the Coke bottle. But I think they're adorable. I have two. Go ahead and here. Alright. Also, what do you think? Should I cut the Coke bottle out from one of them and just make it like a white Christmas Labubu? Or I can even probably take the scarf out on this one and just become a white Labubu. White have a seat. Because I don't think the have a seat has a white one. Anyway, let me know if I should do that. Also, let me know which one is your favorite Labubu ever. From the whole collection, which one is your favorite? This one, or the have a seat version 2, or macaron, or big into energy? And let me know in the comments. Alright, bye! Well, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of my Coca Cola Labubus. If you do, please make sure you give me a thumbs up. Please share this with a bestie who love Labubus, especially these Coke ones. And or if they're coming to Bangkok, Thailand, share with them this video. And if you haven't done so already, please make sure you subscribe to my channel because I have more Labubu unboxing, and also I will be unboxing more Labubus. Like, I have a whole set of V2 that I'll be unboxing soon. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Until next time, happy Labubu hunting and safe travels. Bye! I have the V3 unboxing already up on my channel. Check that out. Until next time, happy Labubu hunting, and if you haven't done so already, happy Labubu.